Gentlemen, stop right there. If you're over 50 and feel your vitality slipping, the energy, the focus, the sheer masculine drive, then your morning tea ritual is probably missing its secret weapon. What if I told you there's one simple teaspoon added daily to your cup that can dramatically reignite your internal fire, balance your hormones, and flood your body with sustained energy? This isn't just about feeling better. It's about experiencing a profound, undeniable shift in your presence. A transformation so clear that every single person around you will take notice. I'm Dr. Alex Hayes, a urologist, and today I'm revealing the exact ingredient that makes your morning tea your most powerful tool for reclaiming peak male vitality. Prepare to be amazed by what one simple teaspoon can do. Before I dive into this revelation, I want to hear directly from you. What's the single biggest energy or vitality challenge you're wrestling with right now as a man over 50? What do you desperately wish you could fix about your mornings? Drop your honest thoughts and struggles in the comments below. Your insights are incredibly valuable and help shape future discussions on this channel. Now let's get started on unlocking your morning's true potential. Let's be brutally honest about the modern man's morning, especially after 50. For too many, it starts not with a roar, but with a whimper. We often wake up feeling hormonally and metabolically depleted, rather than refreshed. This isn't just a feeling. It's rooted in very real physiological shifts. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to elevated cortisol, the primary stress hormone. High cortisol levels, particularly chronic ones, are insidious. They actively suppress your precious testosterone production and wreak havoc on your energy levels, leaving you feeling drained and mentally foggy before your day has even truly begun. You reach for that first cup of coffee or perhaps a plain black tea, hoping for a jolt of energy. And while they provide a temporary spike, they often fail to address the root hormonal and metabolic imbalance that's truly sapping your vitality. You might feel a fleeting boost only to crash later, perpetuating a cycle of dependence and underperformance. This isn't just about feeling tired. It's about a silent erosion of your masculine drive, your focus, and your overall zest for life. A plain cup of tea or even coffee simply isn't equipped to tackle this fundamental age-related challenge head-on. But there is a remarkably simple solution that can. Imagine starting your day differently. Picture a morning where you wake feeling truly refreshed, not just physically, but mentally and hormonally balanced. Envision a consistent, sustained energy that carries you through your tasks, fuels your focus, and empowers your personal interactions. Think about a morning ritual that doesn't just wake you up, but actively ignites your metabolism, regulates your hormones, and sets the stage for a day where you feel fully in command of your vitality, your drive, and your confidence. This isn't a fantasy. It's an attainable reality that begins with making one intentional addition to your morning tea. This is about reclaiming the mornings you truly deserve, transforming them into a powerful launchpad for your peak performance. This leads us directly to the game-changing ingredients themselves. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. What exactly are these powerful additions, these 1 teaspoon hacks, that can revolutionize your morning tea and your day? I'm going to share 3 incredibly potent natural ingredients, each targeting different aspects of male vitality, hormone balance, and sustained energy. You don't have to use all 3 at once. Choose the one that resonates most with your current needs, or consider rotating them. Let's start with the first game changer, maca root powder. This ancient Peruvian superfood, often referred to as Peruvian ginseng, is renowned for its adaptogenic properties. What does that mean for you? Maca doesn't directly add hormones, but it works by nourishing and balancing your endocrine system, particularly your adrenal glands and pituitary gland, helping your body to naturally regulate hormone production. This can lead to significant improvements in libido, mood, and overall hormonal drive. Studies published in Androya, for example, have shown that maca can enhance sexual desire and mood without directly altering testosterone levels in the blood, indicating a potent adaptogenic effect. Adding just 1 teaspoon of maca powder to your morning tea can provide a foundational boost, helping you feel more balanced and energized from within. Next, consider a true powerhouse in the world of adaptogens, ashwagandha powder. This herb fundamental in Ayurvedic medicine is an absolute hero for the modern man, especially after 50. Its primary mechanism is its remarkable to reduce and manage cortisol, your body's stress hormone. Remember how chronic cortisol suppresses testosterone and drains energy. Ashwagandha actively combats this by modulating your body's stress response. It helps preserve your valuable testosterone, improves resilience to daily stressors, and fosters a sense of calm focus. A double-blind placebo-controlled study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that ashwagandha supplementation significantly reduced cortisol levels by nearly 28% in chronically stressed adults. For male vitality, lower cortisol means better testosterone equilibrium and a profound boost in sustained energy. Incorporating 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder into your morning tea can literally retune your body's stress response, leading to a more centered, energetic you. And finally, a kitchen staple with surprising metabolic power, Ceylon cinnamon. We're not talking about just any cinnamon here. Ceylon cinnamon is particularly prized for its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for balanced metabolism, sustained energy, and healthy weight management, all foundational for male potency. As men age, insulin resistance can become a silent adversary, contributing to fatigue and weight gain around the midsection. Ceylon cinnamon helps your cells respond more effectively to insulin, leading to more stable blood sugar levels and better energy utilization. Research from Diabetes Care has highlighted how cinnamon can reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. By simply adding 1 teaspoon of high-quality Ceylon cinnamon powder to your morning tea, you're igniting your metabolism, supporting healthy blood sugar, and providing a powerful complement to your overall vitality efforts. These 3 ingredients, maca, ashwagandha, and Ceylon cinnamon, each offer distinct science-backed benefits. Choose one, rotate them, or experiment to see which resonates most with your body. The key, however, lies in consistency and understanding how to best integrate them, which brings us to the practicalities. All right, gentlemen, you now have the insights into these potent 1 teaspoon additions. Let's make this actionable and enjoyable, integrating them seamlessly into your morning tea ritual. This isn't just about adding powder, it's about making an informed, deliberate choice for your health. First, select your tea wisely. While any tea can work, I recommend a high-quality green tea or even a soothing herbal tea for morning use, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine. The lower caffeine content ensures you get the adaptogenic benefits without an overstimulation that might elevate cortisol. Remember to brew your tea correctly using water at the right temperature, around 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, for green tea to avoid bitterness and preserve beneficial compounds. Once your tea is steeped and while it's still warm, it's time for your chosen 1 teaspoon addition. For maca or ashwagandha, simply add 1 level teaspoon of the powder to your mug. If you've chosen Ceylon cinnamon, a heaping teaspoon is generally a good amount for flavor and benefit. Stir thoroughly until the powder is fully dissolved. Some powders, particularly mocha, might benefit from a quick whisk or even blending a small amount of tea with the powder first to prevent clumps. For enhanced absorption and to mellow the flavors, I highly recommend adding a small splash of high-quality unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk if dairy-free, or even a touch of grass-fed butter or coconut oil if you're comfortable with a bulletproof style. The healthy fats can aid in the absorption of certain compounds and provide sustained energy. Remember, avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners as these would counteract the very metabolic benefits we're trying to achieve. If you need a touch of sweetness, a tiny amount of raw honey, or a natural calorie-free sweetener like stevia or monk fruit is acceptable, but sparingly. When should you drink this power tea for maximum impact on energy, hormone balance, and metabolic ignition? I strongly recommend consuming your fortified tea first thing in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb the adaptogens and beneficial compounds efficiently, setting a positive tone for your entire day. This consistent morning practice transforms a simple act into a powerful foundational habit that builds compounding benefits over time. So you now possess the knowledge and the precise how-to elevate your morning tea into a daily ritual of empowerment. This isn't about drastic, unsustainable changes, but rather about leveraging the profound impact of small, consistent, and intentional choices. Let's revisit that compelling promise from the beginning. Every single person around you will take notice. This isn't hyperbole. This isn't about some instantaneous, artificial effect designed to impress. Instead, it speaks to the cumulative, authentic transformation that unfolds when you consistently nourish your body, balance your hormones, and enhance your foundational vitality. When you wake up feeling genuinely energized, focused, and confident, when your stress levels are better managed, when your metabolism is functioning optimally, and when your natural masculine drive is genuinely supported, these internal shifts radiate outwards. You become more present, more engaged, and possess a calmer, more confident demeanor. It's this authentic, revitalized version of yourself with renewed vigor and a deeper zest for life that resonates powerfully, creating a truly positive, noticeable impact on your intimate relationships and every interaction you have. It's about showing up as the best version of yourself consistently. That, gentlemen, is the true profound reality of this 1 teaspoon ritual. It's an act of daily self-care that reclaims your control over your vitality. So here's my ultimate no excuses actionable challenge for you starting tomorrow morning. I genuinely encourage you to 1. Choose one of these powerful 1 teaspoon ingredients, maca, ashwagandha, or Ceylon cinnamon. 2. Add that chosen teaspoon to your morning tea, following my preparation guidance. 3. Commit to this exact ritual for the next 30 days. Just immerse yourself in this simple daily practice. Observe and truly feel the difference it makes in your energy levels, your mental clarity, your mood, and your overall sense of masculine confidence. I'm profoundly confident that by the end of these 30 days, you'll experience enough positive shifts to instinctively make this a permanent, non-negotiable cornerstone of your vibrant life. You have the inherent power to significantly upgrade your body's performance naturally and effectively. If this direct, no-nonsense, and deeply empowering advice on fostering your vitality resonated with you, then you know exactly what to do. Subscribe to Vitality Health 101 right now for more practical doctor guidance on thriving, not just surviving, as you confidently journey through your prime years. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss another essential video that could provide valuable insights for your daily life. And definitely check out my next video, where I reveal surprising truths about optimizing gut health for peak male performance. Drop a comment below and let me know which 1 teaspoon ingredient you're excited to try first, or what other natural health rituals you're exploring. Your invaluable experience might genuinely inspire another man to take that first vital step towards a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Until next time, this is Dr. Christina Morgan, reminding you that true vitality is cultivated through consistent, informed choices and profound self-respect. Stay strong, gentlemen, and elevate your daily ritual.